In this video, I'm going to show you how to add promotion on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to open up a web browser and go to your profile on LinkedIn. As you can see, I'm on my profile. Then from here, you want to scroll down and look for experience and then click on the plus icon. And then we want to go ahead and add a position. So now from here, we want to go ahead and add that title. So say if you've been promoted to a manager or a higher level, you want to go ahead and type in your promotion level here. So if you're a project manager, operations manager, go ahead and add that as your title and then select your employment type. So go ahead and click on your employment type. Now where it says company organization, make sure to type the exact company or organization you've had in the past. So yeah, that's very important to do that. So here's mine. Now what we need to also do is click on end current position as of now. So I'm going to be ending the current position, and then you can put in your start date. Now you can go ahead and put in the start date. So I say, for example, I made my YouTube channel in 3 years ago, so 2023. You can also put the location type, etc., and then keep scrolling down. Then basically go ahead and click onto save, and that's going to save your promotion on LinkedIn. So as you can see, if I come back to experience here, it says here, this is my promotion. So that ended in April 2026. Now I made a little mistake here. So if you make a mistake, that's fine. So we can come back here, edit this, and then operations manager, I want to edit this. And then it will say here, the start date, I didn't start in 2023. I started this month. So I'm going to stay April. And then basically I want to click on save, and that's going to save those changes, and it should refresh the page. Here we go. So I ended in April 2026, and now my promotion is operations manager from April 2026 present, and it should say present because that's your promotion and it's currently been 1 month.